Hey guys, so we have the Bubblemaps Airdrop claiming and withdrawal. If you found this airdrop, I think somewhere around January to February, something like that. And now they listed today on some couple of exchanges, Bybit, Bybit, and Binance Wallet. You can use Binance Wallet to trade it on Radium DApp protocol, which is one of the Solana DApp trading platform. So that's it. And you can check your allocation from this link. I'll drop the link in the description box of this video. What you need to do basically is to check your allocation by connecting the Solana wallet you submitted. I saw in the case where some people submitted Bybit, UID, and all of that. The thing is, during the time of wallet submission, they never asked anyone to submit a Bybit wallet or any wallet from CX. The wallet you're supposed to submit then was Solana wallet, Phantom wallet, precisely, like recommendably. So all that is not really needed now because they've taken the snapshots and they've distributed allocation. So in case you are not able to get any allocation, it means it's either you didn't farm enough points to get allocation, or you did not submit your Solana wallet, your Phantom wallet, your Solana wallet from Phantom, your Solana address rather from Phantom wallet, pardon me. It means you did not submit your Solana address from Phantom wallet at the time, like before the snapshot was taken. So because a lot of people have been like, we've not seen, I didn't get any allocation, but I think they were fair enough, even though they gave priority to the first 1,000 farmers on the leaderboard, like those ones printed so hard. They distributed like 20,000 token to farmers. Like they really gave priority to top 1,000 farmers on the leaderboard. I was not among the top 1,000 farmers. In fact, I only found this airdrop for like less than 2 hours, just 2 days. And I doubt if I spent 1 hour in those 2 days, because it was at 9 minutes I got to start farming it. And I shared the video. I showed the community. I made the video here on YouTube and I showed how it was being farmed. And for those that joined me immediately when I started dropping the link, when I asked for the invite link, and you farmed and you submitted your Solana wallet, then you should get something. It's not something huge, but it's an honest work. Consider that we have to farm for only just 2 days and barely 2 hours in that day before they ended the airdrop. Those that are among the 1,000 farmers are those that started with, they started from day one. I was not opportune to start from day one. So that's it. And I remember saying it vividly that this will be like Portal airdrop, where people cash out thousands of dollars and all of that. The 1,000 top farmers received 20,000 pieces, and this token listed for 16 cents. That's about $3,200 for free. For airdrop, you barely farm for a month. Even the 1,000 farmers only farm for 1 month, or less than 1 month. It was less than, what am I even saying? Less than 2 weeks actually. So the farming for this airdrop was less than 2 weeks. So now let's go to the claiming. I'm just trying to give you a review of what went on, so that when you see opportunity like this next time, you know that okay, this has it has repeated itself. People found Portal and they made money. Some of us did not find Portal, but when I saw this, I knew it's looking alike. It's giving me the same vibe, and we jump into it. Even though it was 9 minutes, and here we have. This is the claiming link. You are going to go to claim.bubblemaps.io. I will drop the claiming link in the description box of this video. You connect your Solana wallet that you submitted. That was why I was trying to make emphasis on the Solana wallet submission. So if you connect your Solana wallet that you submitted, you see, this is Phantom wallet, and this is what I got. I told you guys I only farmed this airdrop for 2 days, and I didn't spend 2 hours farming this airdrop, even though I sent invitation to over 100 community members. Some took it serious and some did not. So consider the price of this token now. This is just about $400 thereabouts. Not something huge, but we thank God at least it's an honest work. So it's not really something like, okay, we've seen airdrop that have done higher. But for the fact that it was a limited time of farming and you are still going to get $400 for your time for farming 2 hours, that makes sense. It's worth the time actually. So what you are going to see here is your allocation, and you see initiate vesting. From this description here, you will be able to withdraw 80% at TGE, which is today because they already listed, and the remaining 20% will be vested for 1 month. 80% now, 20% after 1 month. So you can see the moment I click on that initiate vesting, I sign in through my wallet, and I'm seeing what I'm going to be claiming at the moment. So the remaining 600 token will be by April. That's the 1 month vesting. So what I can claim now is 80%, and that is why you are seeing these 2,400 tokens. So I'll just proceed to click on it. In essence, the moment you click on that initiate vesting, you will be able to see what you are able to claim at the moment, the 80% you're going to be claiming. So I'm trying to claim my 80% here. Okay, the gas fee is about 0.002. How much is that? I'm not even seeing. Okay, market is down, so I'm not expecting any outrageous gas fee, but let's see. All right, token claimed successfully. Let me check I'm gonna use the contract to add on my wallet, or let me see if I can just see it automatically on my wallet, because sometimes it's just pop up since it's already listed. But if I'm not seeing it, I'll use that contract address to add it up on my Phantom wallet so that I can see. You see 80% claimed, so 80.08% claimed, the remaining 19.2% till next month. So now let me go to my Phantom wallet and see if I've been able to get it in my wallet. If not, I will add using the contract address. So you can as well check the contract address in the description box of this video. Oh wow, it's automatically pop up now. So this is it, as you can see. So I think it's worth my gas fee. Oh, the gas fee is less than $1, considering that I'm having like $7 or $8 worth of Solano here because of the current price of Solano. The coin is down, but I've used less than $1 to claim. For those that want to get Solano, go to exchange and buy Solano. They send it to your Phantom wallet, and you will be able to claim. You need Solano as gas fee to claim to your wallet. And as you can see, I didn't even use any contract to add up. It's just the moment I claim, it gets to my wallet automatically, and I'm able to see the current price. They listed for 17 cents. Well, let me see the current price. I think it has dropped. It has dropped now. Okay, this is 9 cents. Because as of 17 cents. Okay, what am I showing? Alright, the price for the X is lower than the one on CX. You know, if you are trading it on Radium, you might be selling lower. But on Bybit, the current price is showing me 15 cents on Bybit. So on Bybit, it should be worth more than this. So take note of that. Even though you will need gas fee to send out of this Phantom wallet to your Bybit account. So take note, you need gas fee. So that gas fee too, I think it should be less than $1, and you are good. So basically, this is what I get with the current price on the CX trading, over $200. It is, the total allocation is over $400 because I've checked it. But now, because of this DX trading, we have $200 here. So guys, this is the update about the Bubblemaps. So we don't only farm airdrop yet, we also do follow up on how to claim and how to withdraw and how to sell. And that is what I've just done with the Bubblemaps airdrop claiming. Stay tuned for my subsequent updates. Check out my other videos on withdrawal, on other airdrops, the PIN, API airdrop, taker protocol, Faction AI, different one, and the block merge updates that I just uploaded yesterday. Check them out, get position on whichever you've not started, start farming and earn the money. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.